Introducing the Digicut Logic Master Series, with 3 different build options available by Elite Business Machines. This is the 19 TSP Producer, a 19.3-inch paper cutter designed for the commercial print market.
The machine is capable of cutting a stack over 3 inches thick.
Integrated with ISC Safe Technology photocell wall protection.
Gives a white braid cut line that goes across where the blade comes down. You can use the micro adjustment knob to get to the exact location. The touchscreen comes with 4 different program saving modes. The first mode is the manual mode. In your cut location, once it gets to the location, hit your cut button to make your cut. If you turn push out on, it'll push the stock out and return back to the cut location you've entered. Next is the program savings mode. You can enter up to 99 different cuts that are saved to 99 different group program channels. Starting with the first cut, it moves to each cut automatically. After the last cut is made, it returns back to the first cut all over again. Next is the uniform or step and repeat mode. Enter a number that you want it to cut, and every time you want it to cut, and it will automatically calculate and step down. Next is the convenience mode or the book mode. It allows you to enter cutting the top of the book, the face of the book, and the bottom of the book, and save it in different book program modes.
The 19 TSP Producer has the heaviest clamping motors for the commercial market, boasting 1,800 pounds of clamping pressure for holding the taper.
The EBM Logic Master 19.3 system design models are above and beyond the best electric paper cutter variety available on the market today.